how do you really make hard things easy? Things that you don't want to do, like exercising every day or messaging people to get clients, or even making content. Maybe sometimes you don't feel like making content for social media. Well, it's about making it a habit. If you make it a habit, it becomes much easier, because it's like you don't have to negotiate with yourself whether you should do it or not. It's just something that you do, and that's it. It becomes unconscious, which makes it a lot easier, because, yeah, like I said, you don't have to negotiate yourself with yourself about whether you should do it or not. That's just something that you do every single day. I do that with the exercising. That's a habit that I do every single day. Very, very seldom that I don't do it. And also with the making content, making these videos. I make it every single day. It's easy, and it's not something that I have to think about it whether I should do it or not. And the way that you get started is by doing it small. For instance, also with the meditation, that can be difficult to get started on. I did meditation an hour a day a year ago. Then for some reason I stopped doing it, but now I got into it again, and I started with just 10 minutes a day. To make it easy, to make it a habit, also to not give yourself a reason for not doing it, like, oh, I don't have time today. You can do the same thing with exercise. Just do 5 minutes every day, 10 minutes, or start very, very low, so that you can't give yourself any excuse for not doing it. The same thing with making content. Make it very easy. Just make it as easy as possible. Maybe start with just making a small little post, those little posts you can make on Facebook, for instance, with the colored backgrounds or so, just some kind of quote or something. Make it a habit to do it every day, and then you can start to make it a little bit more, write it a little bit more, or make a short video. I love to make videos because that's easy. I don't have to write a lot of stuff. But that's up to you what you think is easier. Give me a like, comment, follow, and subscribe.